Have you ever sliced into a perfectly golden potato, crunchy outside, fluffy inside, and thought, could I grow this myself? Well, today I'm going to show you how to grow potato indoors, even if you don't have a garden. If you got a small balcony, a corner of the yard, or just an old laundry basket, this tutorial will take you from sprout to harvest. Stick with me until the end because by the time we are done, you know exactly how long potatoes take to grow, how deep to plant them, and even some creative container ideas you probably never tried. When I first began gardening, potatoes appeared like magic. I remember toasting a forgotten spot into soil one springtime and hoping for something, anything. Weeks went by and there was a large green potato plant like a surprise gift. That is where I learned how to cultivate potatoes. Secreted below ground, developing in the dark. And the best part is you do not have a farm. Here's how to cultivate potatoes in a bucket, bag, or even reclaimed bathtub. Step 1. Choose your potato and timing. Prior to planting potatoes, you need to decide what kind you like. Regular potatoes are the norm, but you can also learn how to plant sweet potatoes along the same lines. Late winter to early spring is best for most varieties for when to plant potatoes as soon as the soil warms up. Potatoes like cooler weather to start and will provide you with a strong yield before summer gets too hot. Step 2. Prepping your seed potatoes. To obtain optimum result, buy certified seed potatoes and not those sold in the supermarket. They are free from disease and will sprout well. Cut larger potatoes into sections with at least one eye. Dry out the section for a day or two so the cut side develop colors. This will deter rotting when planted. Step 3. Pick your container. This is where you get to be creative. You can plant potatoes in almost anything, and container gardening makes it easy. Number 1. Old laundry basket. My personal favorite for air circulation. The holes enable water to drain and roots to get air. 2. Rubber-made totes. Drill a few drainage holes and you have an inexpensive, durable potato planter. 3rd, terracotta pots, perfect for plateau. They are attractive while cooling roots. 4th, stack wooden boxes. Begin with a bottom, and as your potato plants develop, layer on boards and soil to cause more potatoes to grow. 5th, recycle bathtub. You read that correctly. A lofty, large tub that can accommodate a huge crop. Whether the vessel is a bucket, bag, or bathtub, the technique is the same. Below is how to cultivate potatoes in a container. Fill the bottom with 4 to 6 inches of loose compost or soil. Step 4. Planting depth and care. Interested in how deep to plant potatoes? Set the seed pieces 4 inches deep, eyes up. When the potato plant is around 6 to 8 inches tall, fill in around the stem with soil or straw. This is called healing. It shades forming tubers from the sun and causes more potatoes to grow on underground stem. Leave the soil moist but not soggy. Potatoes like frequent watering, especially when tubers are forming. Step 5. Growing timeline. How long does it take to grow potato? Most variety will take around 70 to 120 days from sowing to harvest. Early potatoes will be ready in approximately 70 days, whereas main crop varieties will be ready in approximately 3 to 4 months. When the leaf starts to turn yellow and weak, that is your cue, it's time to harvest. Harvesting the threshold. Gently tip over your container or dig gently quickly to review your homegrown treasure. No greater thrill than finding those golden tubers hidden in the ground. Potato growing magic. Quick sweet potato tip. Sweet potatoes wonder how to grow. They love heat. Forgo seed potatoes and use slips. Plant them in another deep pot and give a long, hot growing season. Potato growing is more like a gardening. It's a touch of everyday magic. Take one sprouting eye and end up with pounds of tasty food. Plant potatoes in a bucket, try a potato growing bag, or create a stack of wooden boxes in your backyard. Either way, it's easy, rewarding, and great for any space. If you enjoy learning about growing potatoes, consider all the other fresh fruits and vegetables you can plant right on your doorsteps. Subscribe to this channel for additional tips on container gardening, harvesting hacks, and homegrown adventures. Your future meal could start with one potato and a question.